Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, our essay topic is related to environmental pollution and housing problems. Our essay prompt is: some people think governments should focus on reducing environmental pollution and housing problems to help people prevent illness and disease. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this essay is to what extent do you agree or disagree? So whether you have to agree or disagree, it's up to you. In this essay, I'm going to disagree, and this is my opinion. So I have underlined some important words like environmental pollution. For this word, you can use different synonyms or topic related vocabulary words in your essay. So first word is, look at this environmental collocation. So environmental pollution, environmental problems, so environmental issues, environmental concerns, environmental challenges, ecological problems or ecological issues. These are all topic related vocabulary words. These three are and this one also. These are collocations for environmental problems, collocations. In the question, it was environmental pollution. So instead of pollution, we are writing problems here. So pollution is also a problem. So ये collocation हम use करेंगे in our body paragraph. Environmental problems. You can also use these words: environmental issues, problems and issues. These are synonyms. Concerns. This is also synonym for this word: issues, problems. Challenges and ecological problems and ecological issues. These are all also topic related vocabulary words which you can use in this essay. For housing problems, you can write housing conditions. Like कुछ कंट्रीज में जो पुअर कंट्रीज और यू कैन से डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज हैं, वहाँ पे स्लम्स का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. पीपल लिव इन स्लम्स एंड दे डू नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू क्लीन एयर एंड वाटर. सो वो क्यों है? इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द इनएडिक्वेट हाउसिंग और सब स्टैंडर्ड लिविंग और हाउसिंग शॉर्टेज or lack of accommodation. So these are synonyms and collocations or topic related vocabulary words which you can use in your essay in order to show the examiner that you have a range of vocabulary. So for disease, you can also write disorder, and for illness you can write ailment if you want. And for government, here government you can write authorities also. For this, for mass awareness campaigns, you can write public awareness campaigns. So these are the words which you can use in your essay. Now look at the introduction. It is indubitable that people's health is influenced by the environment. Influenced by the environment and housing conditions. So that is why some people are of the opinion that government should focus more on the environment and housing to avoid illness and disease. तो environment पे focus करेंगे, environmental pollution control करेंगे, environmental issues को solve करेंगे, जो भी environmental concerns हैं उन वो सारी problems को solve करेंगे, environmental challenges को face करेंगे, उनकी solutions मतलब उनके solutions जो हैं वो निकालेंगे, तो फिर ही जो है वो लोगों को बचाया जा सकता है इलनेस और डिजीज से. अब my opinion, because I have to give my opinion in introduction also. So I however disagree with this notion. I believe that even though government should address environmental pollution and housing scarcity, there are many other things on which government must spend equally to prevent ill health. So look at these again. Look at these synonyms: housing problems, inadequate housing, housing conditions, housing scarcity, substandard living, housing shortage, lack of accommodation. Now look at our first body paragraph. This is about advantages of addressing environmental problems and housing. So indeed, the environmental problems and housing conditions are two main sources for illness and diseases. For instance, in many parts of like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, people live in slums. बहुत सी ऐसी कंट्रीज हैं जहाँ पे लोग जो हैं वो स्लम में रहते हैं. डू नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू क्लीन वाटर एंड पोर्टेबल वाटर बिकॉज ऑफ and water pollution. So in these areas, people suffer from diseases such as dengue, malaria, diarrhea, and so on. So if the government looks into environmental pollution and provides basic housing, such problems could be avoided. People live in slums. तो ये जो housing shortages हैं, substandard living है, रहने के लिए लोगों के पास जगह नहीं है, inadequate housing है, तो ये problems जो हैं वो गवर्नमेंट को सॉल्व करनी चाहिए. However, simply focusing on the environment and housing would not prevent all diseases. Governments also has to allocate budget for other preventable diseases such as polio and TB, whooping cough, measles, mumps, and so on, which need immunization. All over the world, all governments are spending on pulse polio vaccine to eradicate polio from the world. Then there are diseases such as cancers which can be prevented by screening. So this is about others areas to focus. किन एरियाज पे हमें और फोकस करना चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट को किन एरियाज पे फोकस करना चाहिए. Now look at the third body paragraph. This is also about more areas which should have to be focused. So another important area which needs government action is the awareness of people. So mass awareness campaigns are needed along with looking into the housing so that people can take steps to prevent themselves. For example, if even if the government provides housing to all, but the people keep stagnant water in coolers and other areas, dengue can spread like an epidemic, and all government efforts will go in vain. Now conclusion. In conclusion, I reiterate that simply giving priority to environmental pollution and housing will not prevent all disease. Government should allocate funds to other things such as screening tests and awareness of the people also to prevent disease. ठीक है, क्योंकि अवेयरनेस भी लोगों में होगी तो उन्हें पता होगा कि क्या काम हमने नहीं करना. अब जैसे जो स्लम्स में रहने वाले हैं उन्हें कोई परवाह नहीं है क्या हो रहा है, वो बिल्कुल भी इन चीज़ों मक्खियाँ, फ्लाइज, मॉस्किटोस, इनसे भी बहुत सारी बीमारियां फैलती हैं. तो अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए कि किस तरह से किस चीज़ से बचना है, तो उससे भी बहुत सारी बीमारियों से बचा जा सकता है. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर this essay in this video. So if you have any if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments, and also like and subscribe my channel.